Hello and welcome. This tutorial is going to cover how to manage your non-sign off records in your Client Admin Center. You can view lessons that your employees have not completed in this section. From the dashboard, click on Safety Lessons to the left, and then select Training Records. This will show you all the lessons your employees have completed. From this page, click on the non-sign off box at the top. This will take you to a page with search criteria. Fill in the information you are searching for, including the persons, departments, lessons, and date ranges. If you are looking to select non-sign off records for the entire company, leave the department and employee fields blank. Then select Search. A list will appear below. If the employees are listed in the list below, it means they have not signed off on the lessons yet. If the list is blank, then it means they have completed the training. To export this list, click on the PDF or Excel buttons to the right of the list.